Hey guys, I'm here. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I ordered these plants from Steve's Leaves from Texas. I'm here on the East Coast, so it's a little bit colder right now. It's in January. I ordered this box of plants on January 22nd, which was a Friday. I got a notification that it shipped out on the 26th, which was a Tuesday, and I received it today, which is a Friday. So I haven't opened it up. I brought it in right away, and now as you can see, it's all closed up. I'm gonna open it up with you guys here. I ordered 3 plants, and I'm just gonna show you. So let's go ahead and open. Oh, that side was open already. Okay, this is where I got it, Steve's Leaves. And this is a little card telling you what to do when your order arrives. So it's unpack the plants immediately, carefully remove the packing paper, check each pot. So I think they also said don't repot in the first 30 days. So if anything happens to the plant, I think they will like refund or exchange it for you. I actually ended up doing 2 orders because my first order, when I ordered it, this one plant I really wanted came back in stock. So I had to do 2 orders, and then they basically combined the orders when they shipped and they refunded the shipping cost. So let's get started. So some paper. First plant here. This one. I'm gonna open it. Oh, there's some damage. Oh no. There's some damage. But this one was the Scindapsus Pictus Silvery Ann. Oh, there's a lot of damage actually. A lot of leaves are dead. I'm probably gonna have to contact them on this one. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay, well, let's move on. Hopefully the other ones are okay. So this one is the Monstera Siltepecana, and it looks okay. Oh, it's got some new growth, a little bit of vining here. Let's see if you guys can see it. The leaves are really pretty. This one looks decent. Not too much. There's a lot of growth. There's a little baby growth right here. Right there, it's a little baby. Okay. And now this one is the one I really, really wanted. So let's see, make sure this looks okay. Please be okay, please be okay. Oh my God, it's so pretty. There's a little bit of damage, but not, it's probably from the cold. Oh my God, it's so pretty. This one is the Syngonium Podophyllum Albo Variegatum. Oh, look at that, the variegation. So this one is not too much variegation, but look at this, like the half moon. That's so pretty. So this guy did much better than the Scindapsus. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Check out the leaves. This is my wish list. Okay, let's finish taking out all the wrapping. So I'm probably gonna have to contact them about the Silvery Ann. I don't have all the invoices here with me. You can probably check out the description box afterwards. I'll put it in the description box at the end. but they wrapped it pretty well. In a little plastic bag. Ooh, look at the roots. Little roots coming out of the end. So there's like a little bit of wet. This one was wrapped really well. And also there was a heat pack in here. Right here. This was the heat pack. It's not hot anymore. It's a little warm. But it's also because it's been inside the house, so maybe that's why. You can take a look. But that's that one. Let's unwrap this Siltepecana. Really excited. I'm eventually gonna try to plant these all in leca, semi-hydroponics, because I really don't like soil. I'm gonna try that in the future. Probably have videos on that in the future, but right now, just starting with an unboxing. Oh, this one is soil's going everywhere. But this is cute. And then, oh poor Silvery Ann. She was trailing. She definitely was trailing. Whew, look at that. It's just unfortunate that she didn't do very well in the cold. I'll update you guys with what happens after I contact Steve's Leaves. I don't know if they'll send a replacement or a refund. I'm not sure what they're gonna do. So there's a little piece of paper. It's a little wet, moist. Some of these are okay. It doesn't look too much like a Silvery Ann. Looks kind of like an Argyrius, but I don't know. I can't tell. A lot of the leaves are damaged. Poor thing. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.